Are you struggling to stay on top of your finances? Feeling overwhelmed by the amount of debt you have? It's time to revolutionize your budgeting with these tips. First, take a good hard look at your spending habits. Are there areas where you can cut back? Maybe it's that daily latte or eating out several times a week. Small changes can add up to big savings. Next, create a realistic budget that you can stick to. Make sure to include all your expenses, from rent and utilities to groceries and entertainment. Knowing where your money is going is the first step to taking control of your finances. Consider using the Snowball method to pay off your debts. Start by focusing on the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once that debt is paid off, move on to the next one. This method can help you gain momentum and motivation. And don't forget to build an emergency fund. Having a financial safety net can prevent you from going further into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. By implementing these tips, you can revolutionize your budgeting and take control of your financial future. It's never too late to start. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe
to our channel Stealthy Finance Tips for more
personal finance tips.